So in the middle of my video, look who pulled up. It's Jared.
What's up?
In a Nissan.
No, it's not. Don't look at it. Challenger in disguise.
First of all, what are you doing?
Cleaning my little, mess up. Trying to fix something.
And what did you do?
Back into a mailbox.
Emergency Pop-Tart?
Yeah. Emergency Pop-Tart. I like it.
Go. One.
There we go. What's first?
Yeah, Jared and his brother are sitting outside right now.
What's up, Brad? It took him 2 seconds to break an umbrella.
I see that.
He doesn't understand there's a reason I didn't open this one.
I know it don't look exactly like it, but it's close. But it's close.
I like it. It's pretty. Hey, chill out. Threw the camera in the floor. Torque, it's a crazy thing. Okay, it's a beautiful, crazy thing. Didn't expect that.
I had to do it.
Didn't expect that. Caught me off guard. I'm not used to being in the passenger seat. This thing, it pulls a little more than I thought it did.
Yeah.